Investment in securities are subject to market risks. This is personal opinion only for education purposes. There is no recommendation to buy or sell. Please do your own analysis or take advice from professional financial advisors before making any investments based on your own personal circumstances. We are not responsible for any profits and losses.